I grew up in a home that was a year-round craft camp. Being the youngest of 4 sisters, we didn't have a TV, but there were plenty of arts and crafts supplies for everyone. I have watched my own daughter as her artistic skills have flourished throughout the years and noticed that all around me, kids and teens are setting down their electronic devices and picking up craft supplies. This is what inspired me to start our own craft camp, to plant that seed of creative curiosity in all of our kids. Our first craft camp includes all of the materials needed to make these 4 adorable projects. With these crafts, our campers will learn how to work with wool blend felt and German-made crepe paper. We teach basic hand sewing skills, paper crafting skills, and assembly to complete each project. Along with the materials kit, campers have access to the full step-by-step video course. They can view each technique video as many times as needed to perfect a skill and make a project a day with the other campers or work at their own pace. As camp counselor, I'll be here to answer any questions. I look forward to seeing all of our campers at our Craft Camp Tropical Week.